Hello guys again. Today we have a new unboxing. HP Inktank Wireless 415. Extremely low cost per pages, easy mobile connectivity, wireless print scan copy. Get up to 8,000 color or 15,000 black pages at an extremely low cost per page. Get a mess-free experience with HP innovative spill-free refill system. Print darker, crispier text and get borderless, fade-resistant photos and documents that last up to 22 times longer. Print and scan from your smartphone or tablet with the HP Smart app. Pictures inside, included in the box. We are going to find what it is, and definitely I'm going to test it and review further all this printer. Let's open it. Okay, it's cost 129 euros. Some safety here, how to install your ink tank. There's a manual how to start. Definitely show you how you can install all this. There's a manual with different languages. There's a CD included, of course, software and drivers. Have a bag here. Okay. This is the cartridge head that you must install it inside. Here is the cartridge. Let's open it. And a cable. We got a USB cable and the power cord. Here's the big black cartridge. You can print, I don't know, 20,000. Wow, there's 170 ml. My latest printer was an Epson and I did have it about 3 years, and I remember, and the ink never ends. Wow. Okay. And here is the three colors: magenta, cyan and the yellow. And here's the printer. There's a paper here, how to install. First of all, take out some of this plastic. No, it's nothing inside. Just the box that is protecting it. Let's take a closer look. Inside we must install the heads. Here it is. After we power it on, it will bring it into the center. Of course, the scanner, USB connection, power. Here's where I will install the ink. First is the black. If you want, you can use gloves because you maybe dirty some paint, but just be careful. And open it. You see it has a safety. Cartridge cannot go anywhere. Open the block. Okay. Here's the. Okay, just push it inside here. And you see, just push it. Don't forget, this is an 80 ml inside, this is a 170. Don't cross the line. Okay, that is it. And you see, no mess, because this has a safety membrane and everything is okay. Next is the magenta. This is a 70 ml and you don't have a problem, it will fill it ASAP, the same safety, not going anywhere. Just push it. And you see, I think it's over. Okay, nothing inside. Cool. Well, and just secure this and you're good to go to the next one. Not dropping. Or you can leave it. It will go by himself. And the last one is the yellow. And this was the end of installing the cards. Just close it. And okay, let's connect it to the power now. Okay, I have connected to the power. Let's open it. Nice, and now we are going to install the heads. Okay. And inside you'll see the heads and we must install it. Okay, first we've got the tray, the block. It says pull and throw it into the garbage. Okay, and install it this way inside. Look it, and let's open up the collar. Same thing. And I think there's some heavy here, I think full. And here's the plastic, just okay. Oh, lock and unlock. Nice. That is it all about installing these heads. Okay, just lock this plastic cartridge and now it will begin installing the liquid into the cartridge. Next step is just push this button for 3 seconds until it will go to A, and then it will take the paper to print it. And after that, we're going to put this inside here, close and push this button. It will scan and print again. Okay, that was it. Now it's time to install the wireless. Let's push this button and it will off, and then again push it, go on. Now we will see how to install our networks with the application from the Play Store. Here is the app, and just install it. Open it. And start. Search for a printer. Okay. Allow. And the Wi-Fi. Okay. Finding the printer. Printer found. Preparing the printer, starting. This is the network. Okay, IP address obtained, finishing connection. More guide. Continue. Skip that. Yes. Continue. Install the HP Print Services plugin. And it's installing. Nice. Well, this is the end of installing from the application the network. Network is okay. It has been installed. Well, and let's see, here are the buttons. This is for console, this is for head alignment, the wireless on-off, this is for the information, this is the Wi-Fi direct, next is the HP ePrint, it's connected, this is for color printing and for black printing, and this is the on-off switch. Well, nevertheless, this is the installation, unboxing, installation, and reviewing of this printer, HP 415 in tank. And let's connect it to my PC and print something. From your PC, just go to the printer settings and add this printer. Or you can just install your drivers from your CD that is included to the box. Or you can download the latest driver from the hp.com. And that is all. And let's print something. But first I will install the application to add some settings for our printing, for our printer. And this is the latest driver. It's in August. Here it is. Just download and install. After downloaded, just start installing. The steps are very easy. Just follow the guides and you will be okay. Okay, let's print something nice. Okay. Print, setup, more settings. A4. Beautiful. Choose the printer. Top paper, main tray, quality best, color, landscape, printing on both sides, manually, print all pages. Okay, let's print. Okay, and this is the end of this video, and I already printed something. Bear in mind, this is not photo paper, that's for the quality is not so great as here. Well, doesn't matter, I think the printer is okay. I will post some comments if I find something that I don't like, and I will inform everyone. Well, thank you again for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike. My video is your choice, but hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely night. Bye bye.